I made a video of what I wrote on my blog. If this video is too difficult, please come to the blog address in the comments and watch it. Here we go. You can easily get $10,000 a month online. I'll show you how to earn money. But this side job is easy, so you have to work long hours a day. Instead, lifetime profits will automatically come in. Let's find out how to make money today. You need a PC or smartphone as a preparation. Capterra is a way to make money from software reviews. Capterra is a reviewer that allows operators to choose better software. It was founded in 1999. If you look at the top right after accessing the site, there is Write a Review. Click it. After you click, there are over 30,000 places to leave reviews. If you choose the one you like and write a review, you will be rewarded for your review. It usually takes less than 20 minutes to complete. You can get about $10 in compensation per case. You're going to get about $30 an hour of compensation. But there's an easy way to do this. It's a way that doesn't require any experience and expertise. If you can't, you can curse at me. Choose the software you like. I search on Google. After that, you can choose your favorite reviews. After selecting a review, access the site. Access a site called Quillbot. Paste text after connecting. Click Paraphrase. After that, if you smooth out the sentences, it's done. I will update you on easier and more money-making methods in the future. Thank you.